Hey, and welcome to Alf1. I'm now going to show you one of my strategies once again for trading binary option, and it's a highly profitable strategy. I trade live every single day and you can follow my way of trading, and today I made 10 trades and I won 9 of them. Just so you're aware of that. So it's a very high win rate on this strategy. You can't expect so much. My win rate over 1 year, 8 months is around 7 out of 10 trades winners, but that's more than good enough to make profit on this market. Okay. Also, if you have account with pocket option from before, I will now explain to you why you should close that account down and reopen with a new one. I give away 60% of my own affiliate income back to you. This way so you can make more profit on this market. This will be paid to you as form of cash back. Every time you're taking a trade, you get some money back. Okay, so this will pay every single Monday for you. And also, if you close down your account, withdraw money and deposit again, I give you 50% in top of what you deposit. Okay, so make sure you take advantage of that. Okay, now you find link below the video for that, by the way. Now let me show you the strategy, how I'm trading and how easy it is to make money with binary option. Now let's see if we can find something nice to trade down about this area here. I do like. Let's see. If we get down here, I will easily take a trade. Let's see. Need to break this one also. See, he broke above it. I think actually here I take a trade. I will explain to you why. We see he broke above, he broke down, and he broke above support level, and then this turned back to a strong support, and this is an area where I will easily take a trade. Other places that I will take a trade, we can mark that also. Up around here, we see it's a beautiful area. I will mark this one red. See, when you get match refusement in our area, you see here refusement for support, here for resistance. It's an easy place to take a trade. So you can see now in about 20 seconds, I'm making myself an easy $92 profit. How cool is that? So if this is something that you would like to do yourself, well, it's this simple. And you have many ways to deposit to this broker, so not to worry. You can use card, you can use bank transfer, you can use crypto, whatever. There you see, $92. So you find links below the video for this broker. Promo code is included in the links. You get 50% on your first deposit. And like I said, also I give away a super account that gives you 60% of my affiliate income back to you. So every time you trade, you get some extra money. How cool is that? So once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on so you don't lose live streams from me. I'm doing a lot on my channel. I do cryptocurrency, I do affiliate marketing, I do everything. So make sure you follow me so you find ways to make money from home. So that, have an amazing day.